Okay, now we'll look at how to add an employee to a company. So go to your company account, click on Employees, click on New, and then we're going to click on Add. Now we input the first name, we click on Type. Now type for an employee will always be general. We then select an email address. We leave the status as active. You can input a mobile number, and then employment, whether they're a permanent employee or a temporary. We select the office address, and if there's a direct phone number within the office, we input that as well. Next, click on Save. Now you'll notice the Create Login for this person option, so we will tick that, and what we're now going to do is create a unique username and password for this employee so that they have their own access to the back end of your system. So first of all, we look at the level of access. So we'll notice contracts administration, office staff level, sales team level. The higher the level of security within the system, and these will be read, add, modify and delete privileges. So in this case we're going to give them a sales team level 4. We then have the option for record level. Now we can have two choices. We either have company or we have self-record. Self-record is when they have access to the whole system but not access to the company records. Company record is when they have access to all of your company records within the system. In this case, we're going to give them access to the company records. Select that, we click Generate Password, and then we hit Save and Send Invite. You'll now see that James David is added to the company, and an automatic email will be sent to him in order to then complete his registration. Now your employee will receive an automated email as similar to the one shown here. You'll notice a link to click to log in. You'll notice their username and their password details. Once you click on the link, they will be redirected to the login page here, where they enter their username and password, select login, and then they will be prompted to an agreement, which will be an agreement that you set within the system yourself. They will then select I agree, they hit submit, they go in and put in their old password, they put in a new password, they click on save, and now they're connected to the back end of the system.